Have you ever been outside and wanted to cut some brush, but the weed whacker string just really won't cut it? One good option you got is to go with something like these. We were just sent these brush cutter blades, and these go in place of your trimmer string on your trimmer. Now what I have here is a Stihl FS90R, and it comes, the pack that we got came with two different types of blades. It came with a tri-blade as well as an 80-tooth blade, and here I'm going to be showing you how to install this tri-blade on here. Now on the bottom side of your trimmer, you take off the end. This is the pieces that came out of the bottom side of the trimmer. They just loose to sit in there. That allows that part to spin. So I'm going to go ahead and leave those on there. And then you need to take a device like a screwdriver or something to hold that in place to keep that from spinning. And then you're going to take this provided piece here that's got the 10 teeth, and we're going to slide it up over the end until it goes into place. Then you're going to take this blade and you're going to slide it up over the end, and it will lock into place over the top of that. Then it comes with a little bell housing, a little protective housing on the bottom. We're going to slide that up to kind of give it a spacer. And then it does come with a lock nut that goes on the bottom, and you're going to tighten that down just like that. Now when you're doing this on a trimmer, you got to tighten it to the left, which is not normally what you would do. You normally righty-tighty, but on this, since it spins that way, you got to turn it that way. And you would get a ratchet and crank that down, and you'll be ready to go. Now we're ready to cut some brush.